Hey guys, welcome to Pregnancy and Postpartum TV Kids Workout Series. Today we are doing a kitty cat ballet class. If you like videos like these, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. You can also go down and grab our kitty cat activity sheet from the description box below. The first move that we're going to do to warm up our spine is cat and cow pose. So we can come to all fours. We want to round out into a kitty cat position as if we're stretching, and then we can arch our back and look up the other way. Beautiful. Let's round out again and arch, looking up. One more time. Let's round out our back, dropping our head, scooping our tummy, and arch our back, looking up, and if we had a tail, we'd be pointing our tail up in the air. Beautiful. Let's come back to our knees, and we can swing our feet around in front of us. Of course, we want to warm up our feet, so we are going to practice pointing and flexing. Let's first sit up tall. We can take our hands out and lightly place our fingertips on the mat, and let's flex. Point, flex, point. Beautiful. Flex, point, flex, point, flex. Now we're going to turn our feet out so that our feet make a pizza shape. Now we can point, flex. Remember to sit up tall. Point, flex. Beautiful. Point, flex. One more time. Point, flex. Wonderful. Let's bring our feet back in, and now we're going to pretend that we're butterflies. Kitty cats love to chase butterflies, so we can pretend that we're sitting in a field and we can flap our wings gracefully like a butterfly. So let's raise our wings up and let them float down. Beautiful. Floating up, floating down. Sitting up tall, floating up. You can gracefully look up at one of your wings and let them float down again. Beautiful. Let's switch around to the other side, bringing our legs out in front and then tucking them in on the other side. Let's float up and down. Float them up, let them fall down, up, and let them fall down. Beautiful. Let's tuck our feet underneath us, and we'll get up like a ballerina. Come up on your knees, step forward, and coming up, we'll find our way to first position. We can place our hands on our hips. Beautiful. We're going to practice our plies now in first position. So look down and make sure that your feet have the shape of a pizza slice between them. Beautiful. And we can bend our knees pull out to the side, plie. And we can imagine that a kitty cat jumps between our legs. Meow. Straighten your legs. Beautiful. Again. Plie, bend, standing nice and tall. Come on up. Plie, and straighten. Beautiful plies. Let's do that one more time. Plie, and straighten. Now we're going to practice our plies in third position. So we are going to move one foot slightly crossing over in front of the other foot. Perfect. Again, our knees are pointing out. We're going to bend, and a little kitty cat jumps through our legs and straighten. Beautiful. Bend, straighten. Shoulders are relaxed down your back. Bend, straighten. One more time. Bend, straighten. Let's tendu to the side, point one foot to the side, and bring the other foot crossing in front. Now we're in third position on the other side. Beautiful. We'll plie again. Plie, making a nice diamond shape with our legs. Come on up, straighten your legs. Plie again. Coming up. Plie again. Straighten. Last time. Beautiful plies. Straighten. All right, let's bring our feet back to first position now. We are going to practice our jumps, our sautés. Our kitty cat that we're with has spilled her milk all over the floor, and we're going to jump in the milk, but we don't want to make sure that we're not making any splashes. So we are going to plie, jump up, point our toes, and land so softly. Are you ready? And jump, land, straighten. So we start our jump with plie, then we sauté, point your toes, land, straighten. Beautiful. Let's do that again. Plie, straighten, land, straighten. Let's do one more sauté, plie, jump, land, straightening your legs. What beautiful sautés. Now let's practice our port de bras and spread some sparkles for our kitty. We can bring our hands to bras bas, soft elbows, tucking in our thumbs, and let's take it up to first position. Here, our fingertips are right in front of our belly button. Beautiful. Let's open it up to second position. Sparkles go everywhere. And now let's bring it back to first and down to bras bas. Beautiful. Let's do that again. Taking a breath with our hands, bring it through first. Now let's bring it all the way up through fifth position, framing our face. And as if a bubble pops, sparkles go everywhere. Let's come down through second position, turn our hand over, come back to bras bas. What a beautiful port de bras. Now, let's take some turns on our tippy toes. So we can take one foot and point it behind. We'll bend and then come up on our toes. And we can turn in a circle, bringing our hands up through fifth position. Turn, 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 turn. Let's keep turning. Beautiful. And let's come down. Let's do that on the other side, going the other way. Bending and turning, bringing your hands up through first, up through fifth, and our bubble pops. Sparkles go everywhere. Keep turning and gracefully coming back down to first position. Now we're going to practice our pirouette preparation, or our retire. So let's place our hands on our hips, relaxing our shoulders. Elbows are nice and forward, as if we're making a nice triangle on the side of our body. We can pick up our leg, bring it in front of our ankle, and then all the way up to just under our knee. Beautiful. And we'll place it back down again. Let's try that on the other side. Pointing our foot at our ankle, bringing it up, lowering it back down, and back to first position. When we take our foot off the ground, we want to peel it off as if we're peeling it off like a sticker. So peel, and then our toe comes to our ankle, raise it up, bring it back down, and put it down gently. Beautiful. Let's do that again on the other side. Peel it off, pirouette position, coming back down. If it's easier to do this with a chair, you could also hold on to the back of a chair while you practiced your pirouette position. Let's try this from third position. So let's cross our feet over, one in front of the other now. And let's go up to our pirouette position. Knees pointing out towards the side, making almost a flag as if our standing leg is a pole and we've got a flag flying out to the side. Beautiful. Let's put it down again and tendu to the side. We'll do that again on this side and pointing our toe, draw it up our leg, making our flag position, coming back down and back to third position. Beautiful. All the steps that we've just been working on are going to help us do our next ballet step, the Padesha, which means the step of the cat. So let's take our feet to third position again. We'll move one foot behind, cross one foot in front, and now we're going to take our back foot up to a pirouette position. We're going to step to the side, bring our other foot up to our pirouette position, and then place it down in front. So our back foot stays in the back. Beautiful. Let's try that on the other side so we can switch our feet. Now we're going to pick up our back leg, pirouette, step, bring it up to pirouette position, and place it in front. Beautiful. Let's try that a little bit faster. Are you ready? And let's switch our feet. We're starting with our back foot here. And then we will do first foot, step, next foot, down. Beautiful. Switching our feet. And we're going to go this way now. First foot, step, second foot, down. Beautiful. Now we can add a jump to that. Don't worry if it's hard to do. This is a very hard step, but we're going to practice on it. So you can almost imagine that you're jumping into a basket. So we are going to pick up our first foot, next foot, plie, Padesha. Beautiful. Let's try that on the other side. Let's switch our feet. Straighten, plie, Padesha. Straighten. Beautiful. Let's do that one more time on both sides. Switching our feet again. Plie, Padesha. Wonderful. Last time, switching our feet. Plie, Padesha. Straighten. Wonderful. All right, let's get down and we'll do a couple of ballet stretches to work on our flexibility. So we can take our back foot, come onto our knee, bring our knees together, sit down, and then swing our feet around and we'll come to butterfly stretch. Now we can flap our legs as if we're butterflies. So we can bring our knees up and down. Beautiful. All right, let's bring them down and let them relax down to work on our flexibility. We can take a deep breath in, sitting up tall, releasing out. Beautiful. Let's bring our legs out and so we can stretch like ballerinas. We might need to move a little bit further apart so we don't bump into each other. We can bring our legs out. Let's point our toes, sit up tall. And we are going to pretend that we have a string and we're going to dangle it back and forth for the kitty cat. We can bring it across to one side and bring it up and across to the other side. Bring it up and across and up and across. Beautiful. Let's switch to the other hand and bring it across, up and across, making almost a rainbow shape with your hand. And up and across. Last time. Beautiful. And we can bring our legs and come back to a cross-legged position. You are such a beautiful ballerina. Thank you so much for joining us today. You did an amazing job. Don't forget, if you like videos like these, we will keep making kids ballet videos. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up right there in the corner. Also, go down to the description box and grab our Kitty Cat Ballet activity printables and you can do them with us. Thanks so much, guys.